Tita Tab, happy birthday po sa inyo. Wishing you all the good health, more blessings, and more happiness to come. Thank you for your love and kindness. Enjoy your special days. God bless you po and love you po.
Happy birthday, Cass! Wish ko ngayon yung birthday mo, sana maging masaya ka palagi, maging healthy ka palagi. More blessings and more birthday to come. Happy birthday! Love you!
Hello, Tita. Happy birthday. From me and Bibi.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Costa.
Happy birthday, Cost. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness you deserve. You've been a part of the family, and we are truly grateful for your strength, your kindness, and your beautiful heart. May this new chapter bring you good health, endless blessings, and many more joyful memories with the people who love you most. Enjoy your special day and happy 50th birthday again.
Okay. Happy birthday, Costa. Pilano ko.
Cos, happy 50th birthday. Wishing you all the best. Stay strong. And always look forward for better days. Lalo na ngayon tumatanda na tayo. Always happy lang and enjoy life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Costa. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday. Happy Lola.
Expectation ko na sa 60k.
Again. Happy birthday.
Costa.
Ikaw mo sabi happy birthday. Sabi mo happy birthday. Kasi local.
Birthday.
Lola. Lola.
Budget
Happy
lang
birthday.
siya.
Lola.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Costa. Mimingat po palagi. God bless. I love you.
Happy birthday, Costa. I love you. How young? 50 years old. Sing-singpot ka, Wayne. I love you.
Hi sis, maligayang kaarawan. Sana nasa mabuti kang kalagayan. Celebrating your 50th birthday. Golden girl ka na. I hope and I pray, I really pray na sana our dear God grant all your heart desires. Yung mga wishes mo na magkatotoo. And I know na yung iba na-grant na yung kaya nung pag-aaral na ni na Jury Boy at saka ni Erica. Tapos, sana maging healthy ka always. Stay pretty and sexy. Happy birthday again. Love you. Pasensya na mag-isa lang ako eh.
Birthday, Tita Tab. Thank you for all the love, and I will forever be grateful for all the gifts you give me. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Tab. I hope you had a wonderful year, and I hope more good fortune and many more things are to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Costa. Enjoy your birthday.